Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'd like to thank the first examiner, Miss Lili Suryani MPD, and second examiner, Mr. Mukman S. Hum MPD, and supervisor, Mr. Yana MPD, for their time. On Monday, December 4th, 2023, I'm Andina Fitri Irawan from 8th class, English Education 2022. In this opportunity, I'm going to present research proposal. The title is Teaching Listening Draft Short Movie for 11th grade students at senior high school. Well, the reason I took the research background, immediately in the introduction, the researcher in writing this proposal will explain the background, namely, language is a tool used by humans to communicate. In consequence, communication is very important in daily life. It corresponds with F.B. Putri and Santoso 2019 explanation that language is a tool to interact or tools to communicate, in the sense of a tool to convey thoughts, ideas, concepts, or feelings. One of the skills used in communicating and which function skills used in communicating and which function to understand meaning of the interlocutor is listening skills. So, teachers should concern in the process of students developing listening skills to make students have a good ability in the English language. Therefore, the teachers should find a new teaching method that can make students interested to learn listening so that students will be easy to understand. One effective method of teaching listening is to use short movie. The problem identification in this research is based on the previous study. Some students still have difficulties in learning to understand listening. This statement is supported by Mr. Tati Hartati SPD, an English teacher at SMA Negeri 1 Rengas Dengklok, who say that students difficult to understand the conversation that's spoken. In this research, the researcher presents 3 research questions. There are: first, how are the scenario and the implementation of using a short movie in teaching listening for 10th grade students at senior high school? Second, what are students' responses toward teaching listening using short movie? Third, what are students' difficulties in learning listening using short movie for listening activity? Objective of the research have a specific relation with the research question, where this part exists as the goal of the research. The researcher presents the goal from this research as follows: to know scenario and implementation of using a short movie in teaching listening for 10th grade students at senior high school, to know students' responses toward teaching listening using short movie, to know the students' difficulties in learning listening using short movie for listening activity. This research hopefully can help and support all of the elements involved in the education field, coverage teachers, students, and other elements who want to improve listening skill. In general, we hopefully this research can give benefits for all of the readers. There are some key terms for this research activity. First, listening. Second, teaching. And third, short movie. To support this research, the writer will give some theory related of this research. First, listening. Second, teaching listening. And third, short movie. This research use descriptive qualitative method. When conducting the research, the researcher should have a plan and schedule as a procedure in this research, because that researcher presents steps or paths for this research below. Preparation, implementation, and evaluation. The subject of the research. In this research, the researcher will use students of 11th grade students of senior high school in the academic year 2020 or 2021. In this proposal, the researcher will choose one class of 11th grade students in senior high school as a sample. The subject of the research in the study following the population and sample above. There are population is students of 11th grade students of SMA Negeri 1 Rengas Dengklok in the academic year 2020 or 2021. The instruments we'll use in this research present there are observation, interview, and test. All of the data in this research were processed using Microsoft Excel. To know the description of abilities and skills in listening, comprehension, and description of the implementation of a short movie in this part, researcher will use all of the instruments. Then, followed by an interview, the last documentation to record all of the important events. All of the data will use to describe responses from teachers and students when applying short movie media in teaching listening. After that, about how to apply this media and about the difficulties when this media applied in teaching listening. The researcher presents the planning. This research was conducted at SMA Negeri 1 Rengas Dengklok. The period of time needed to conduct research is from August 2020 to March 2021. Many thanks to Ms. Lili Suryani MPD and Mr. Mukman Eshum MPD as the examiners, and thanks also to Ms. Riana MPD as the supervisor. I accept it and I will correct it and then submit it according to the given date. May we always be given health and smoothness in all our affairs. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.